I just made 30 UGC style ads in under 30 minutes using one AI tool from a single sentence. This type of tool is meant for non-technical people, and you can sell these to businesses worldwide. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use this tool and a few powerful ways to start a business with it today. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to not only make sense of the crazy AI world, but I show you how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. The tool is called Veed, and it's an all-in-one AI-powered video creation platform. Meaning the script, the AI avatar, the voice, the music, the visuals, the editing, the captions, the export, all of it lives in one tab. One subscription and no bouncing between 5 different AI tools. Listen, I know your time is important, so let's get right into the video. Okay, here we are inside of the Veed website. Now, I'm going to pretend that I'm making an ad or a social media piece of content for a local coffee shop. This is how easy it is, guys. Let me show you how to do this. All we're doing is typing a single sentence. If we have a script, we can start with the script here. But for the sake of this demo, we're going to choose prompt and idea, and we're going to insert something like this. Create a 30-second social media ad for a local coffee shop called Daily Grind, showing a morning coffee, possibly fresh pastries, and a cozy atmosphere. Make it energetic and warm. Okay, so before it makes the video, it's giving us a couple of options to choose from here. We have our script on the left. You can go ahead and read through this, and you can change anything that you want here. We have the character. I've chosen Mira, but there's all of these characters that veed.io has. Now, you can choose one of the characters here, which are super lifelike, or you can upload your own. You can upload a photo of the coffee shop owner, of yourself, of anybody you want. But for the sake of this, we're going to choose Mira. Language is English, voice is Mira. There's all of these voices that we can choose from here. We can choose music, but for this demo, let's turn the music off. Subtitles, those look good. Aspect ratios. We're going to be posting this on TikTok, and TikTok is 9:16. So is Instagram, so is Facebook. YouTube is 16:9. Let's keep it on 9:16. Everything looks good. Mira's good to go. Let's go ahead and click done. 1 minute later, literally 60 seconds later, this is what it gave us.
Start your morning right at Daily Grind. Grab a perfectly brewed cup of coffee made fresh for you. Enjoy a selection of flaky fresh pastries baked daily. Our friendly baristas craft each drink with care. Sit in a cozy corner and savor the moment. Visit Daily Grind today and make mornings better.
Some of you might be asking, why is this important? Why does this even matter? Veed.io making videos like this, UGC style videos, social media ads, social media content for restaurants, gyms, dentists, lawyers, doctors, whatever the case may be, any local business. Why does this matter so much? Let me show you exactly why. Local businesses, especially ones that heavily rely on visuals, video, and image, they're looking for UGC style videos. They know they need to be on social media. They know they need to be putting content out there, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, because one TikTok video that pops off and gets millions of views can bring hundreds of thousands, possibly millions of dollars to a business completely for free without spending ads. Now, if we go over to Fiverr and we look at what people are charging for these services, these are real human UGC creators, and they're charging anywhere from $100 a video, $175, $160. As a matter of fact, let's click into one of them here. Now, she does everything by hand. She films, she has the camera equipment, she edits, she has the lighting, everything. And look what her delivery time is. The basic is 5-day delivery. Standard is $500, 7-day delivery. Premium, $750, 7-day delivery. Okay, let's make another ad. Let's say that I'm working with a cookie company called Cookie Dream. Now, I want to make a UGC style video or videos for their social media platform, whether it's TikTok or YouTube or Facebook or X or LinkedIn or Snapchat or whatever the case may be. Whatever they want. They want to put it on their personal website, completely fine. So let's type in something like this. I want to create a video about a cookie company called Cookie Dreams. Make it energetic, make it fun, and make it seem like the company has the best cookies in the world. Something simple like that will suffice. We're going to click generate. Okay, The script looks good. Let's go ahead and change the character here. I'm going to choose Jason, who's sitting in his car. This is a popular style of UGC style videos, people just hanging out in their car. So we're going to add character, English. We're going to keep the voice on Jason, music. Let's turn that off. Subtitles look good. Portrait 916 for TikTok looks good. And we're going to click done. Here's what it gave us.
I just tried the best cookie I've ever had in my entire life. Cookie Dreams doesn't mess around. They bake everything fresh every single day. And when you bite into one, it's still warm, gooey, absolutely perfect. They got like 12 flavors from classic chocolate chip to birthday cake. Cookie Dreams just changed the game.
It's crazy what we can make nowadays. You don't have to be a UGC style creator. Putting yourself on camera, buying the camera equipment, editing lights, it's so complicated nowadays. And with veed.io, creating UGC style videos for local businesses, for their social media, or any type of ads that you want to create for businesses, it's absolutely possible now in 2026. I just made this single video in less than 2 minutes. You can make 30 videos in 30 minutes. You can make 60 videos in 2 hours, whatever you want, guys. Just keep going, pumping out as much volume as possible. Now, in this next part, I'm going to show you how to create a real business with this. 3 powerful ways to start earning today. Okay, let's talk about how to actually start an AI business with this, because making UGC ads is all well and good, but if we're not making money, if we're not starting the business, then what good is it? So let's talk about 3 powerful ways to do this. The first one is a faceless shorts channel. Now, it doesn't have to be just shorts. You can do long form as well. So you can use Veed's AI voiceover, auto subtitles, and B-roll to produce 30 plus faceless shorts per month. Now, I would always recommend going higher than this. I personally post around 5 shorts per day, but you can do 1 short a day. You can do 2 shorts a day. Just make sure your consistency. And remember, consistency is the key. It doesn't matter how you're making your money online. You have to be consistent. Whether you're posting content, whether you're working with local businesses making UGC ads, consistency is the key. You can monetize with ad revenue. This is how most people monetize. But 95% of the money on YouTube and on social media in general is made through affiliate links, through sponsorships, through brand deals. And most of all, don't forget to start your own business with a newsletter or courses or coaching or something outside of YouTube or social media in general. Because if you're on YouTube and you have 100,000 subscribers, or if you're on TikTok and you have 200,000 subscribers, TikTok can remove your channel without notice, without warning, nothing, gone the next day. So you always want to have some sort of business outside of YouTube, of TikTok, of Instagram, Facebook, X, etc. Newsletter, courses, coaching. But YouTube, TikTok, all the social media platforms are the top of the funnel. Your real business lives outside of the platform. The number 2 way to start a business with this is a done-for-you service. AI UGC ads for brands. Now, you can sell short-form UGC style content to e-commerce brands, SaaS brands, or remember what we talked about earlier in the video. You can place your service on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. And I always recommend doing this, laying the base for your business by first opening up an account both on Fiverr and Upwork and posting your services there. Post your services there because you want to be present on a certain platform. If you're present on Fiverr, people can search you. You might get an email on a Wednesday afternoon saying, hey, I want UGC videos. Can you make them for me? And you can charge them $200, $300, $400, whatever you want to charge them on Fiverr. And you could start a full-time business. People are making so much money on Fiverr and Upwork. So make sure you have an account on Fiverr and Upwork. Make sure you have those good to go. And then you could hunt for clients on Facebook and Reddit and Instagram and all that. Make sure you first have an account on Fiverr and Upwork. The third way to make money with this and the third way to start an AI business is a recurring retainer. You can do course and tutorial production. You can help course creators turn raw screen recordings into polished lessons. Veed's AutoCut, captions, and templates make this fast editing. Now, there are platforms like Udemy and Skillshare that have hundreds of thousands of course creators on them. And there are course creators, including myself, are always looking for help. When you start selling lots of courses, if somebody has, let's say, a team of 2 people and they're selling $100,000 in courses per month, they're going to need help. They're going to need some sort of a video production team because they can't do it themselves. This is including me. I have an entire team working with me when I create courses. So you can use Veed to create courses and tutorial productions. And these are only 3 ideas, guys. There are so many different businesses that you can start. If you want to work with restaurants, making UGC style content for their social media, join Facebook restaurant groups, talk to owners of local restaurants, give massive value inside of the groups. If you want to work with, let's say, real estate companies, join local real estate groups on Facebook, get to know people, give value, and sell in your DMs. Whatever you're passionate about, whatever you want to do, however you want to make money with any business in your area. You can even walk into restaurants and offer your service. And I always recommend walking into the business itself, looking the owner in their eyes and saying, listen, here's what I can do for you. I can create I can create 100 UGC style ads or social media content per month. And that right there is a monthly retainer. There's no more excuses not to start a business online, guys. Listen, I know some of you watching this don't like your 9-to-5 job. I'm not saying you can quit right away, but what I am saying is this. If you start any business online, whether it's Veed, whether it's Fiverr, whatever the case may be, start any business. It doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect is the enemy of getting started, or whatever the phrase is. Just get started, guys. You'll get better along the journey. And listen, if you want to try Veed, the link is in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to not only make sense of the AI world, but I show you how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.